head of the RAEL organization. I'm an ex-narcotic bureau detective, I'm an ex-murder and robbery squad detective, and I spent 20 to 25 years drugging and drinking my life away. Today, by the grace of God, I'm 13 years plus sober, and as I sit here and I think about the Constitutional Court ruling yesterday, it's a very irresponsible ruling, taking into account the amount of schizophrenia cases we are dealing with daily, the amount of schizophrenia cases we are seeing around the country. I feel that the Constitutional Court did not take into account the mental illness. They did make a report in their judgment that they couldn't find any evidence. I don't know where they were looking. I don't know where Chief Justice Zondo was looking. Maybe he was still at the state capture inquiry before he wrote the judgment. We are finding that the use of Dagga, especially the homegrown Dagga, is so much more powerful than in the old days. We are finding that our youth that are telling their parents that they are only using Dagga, when their parents are testing them, it is coming up for dirty heroin as well, because that is what makes the money, is the dirty heroin, not the Dagga from the local merchant. It is making our children lazy. It is making our children unemployable. Is this a ploy by the African National Congress to actually make our children like that so they don't worry about the next generation that is coming through? South Africa, we're in serious trouble unless we take up some kind of a petition. We are going to petition Parliament to present our facts to Parliament. The ANC-led government has got 24 months to determine what is for personal use and how much can be grown. I think that is probably one of the most absurd things I've ever heard in my life. How do you determine what and how much a person uses? You know, when we are looking at this bigger picture, what is next to legalize? Alcohol is a dangerous drug. It almost ruined my life. It did ruin my life. And we need to be put more into the combating of alcohol abuse. But this judgment is going to allow our school kids to have competitions with each other, see who can grow the most crap, and see who can take what to school and then sell it. We already got a pandemic of drugs in our school. From Dagga, every school has got a dealer. This has opened the Pandora's box to allow that it's your constitutional right to privacy to smoke drugs in your home. Is it my constitutional right to do whatever I want to in my home? Then it can't be governed by law and it can't be governed by the courts of South Africa. I think this ruling is despicable. I think Judge Zondo has erred in his judgment, and I think Judge Zondo must explain to this country in an open forum where he came to the facts about why he finds no medical evidence that this Dagga is not causing mental illness. South Africa, let's wake up. There's a generation at stake here. God bless you all.